What is Windows Clipboard? How I can use it? What is it? So, if you wanted to find out what is Windows Clipboard and how to enable it, watch the video until the end. I will tell you all of the things about it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Let's jump to the screen. Okay, let's jump to the screen and learn the clipboard of the Windows. I'm going to open a Word document by blank document. Okay, I'm here. For example, I'm going to type subscribe the channel if you wanna to watch more videos like this one. Okay, this is the text. How I can copy it, paste it, and do these things with Control plus C. I can copy it. We have to select it, then press Control C, then press Control V. With the Control plus V, I can copy it. How I can remove, for example, just this part from this text? We use Control X, which is cut. Then we use Control V to paste it. So Control plus X. Okay, all the things fine. You can use the keyboard arrows to select a text too. For example, you just need to hold Shift button, then use the arrows. For example, I'm pressing the right arrows, the left arrows, the top, the bottom. For example, I select this part, then press Ctrl C, then Ctrl V. You can see these things happen. Okay, how to enable the clipboard of the Windows? Instead of pressing Ctrl V, you need to press a logo. Check your keyboard. The logo key is the logo which the Windows icon is printed on that. Press logo plus V. You see the clipboard. Clipboard is a good, I can say, option which you will see, and it is enabled on the Windows. I have it and I enable it in my, I can say, Windows. If you wanted to enable it, you just need to you see this on here. You will see a text which is enable clipboard. You just need to press on that. Okay, if you can't enable the clipboard with this way, you just go on the search bar, then type clipboard setting. Right now it is enabled for me. Okay, in here you will see a button which is set enable clipboard. If you press on that, you can enable clipboard for yourself. On the clipboard history, you can see the previous things which you copy them. On the sync across your devices, if you have Microsoft account and you install Windows on your, for example, laptop and on your computer, if the both of them connect to the same Microsoft account, when you copy a thing on the laptop, you can paste it from your computer. It is a good feature if you have two devices and a Microsoft account. Clear clipboard data. Let me use logo V. These the data I copy. Okay. When I press on the clear, then press the when I press on the clear, then press the logo V. my history, or I can say the things which I copy, they're gone. They're disabled. Not disabled. They're deleted. Okay. And these are all of the things about clipboard. You can just copy these things. For example, copy the text. When I press Ctrl C, then again copy Ctrl X, then Ctrl V, then Ctrl C. Right now, on here, I press on the logo V. Which one you wanna to? For example, this. I wanna to this. Then I wanted to type Ctrl X. This is the way clipboard works, but it didn't works, for example, on these things. For example, I press Ctrl C on the weekly plan, then press Ctrl C on the OBS Studio shortcut, then I press logo plus V, which is my clipboard. As you can see, it can't copy the files or folders and save it on the clipboard because it just created for the texts and the things and social media. Another good option for the clipboard is this. Let me bring it in here. On here you can type emojis with that, gifs with that. These are all of the emojis, as you can see. You can type, or I can say you can send gifs with that, and it usually trends. You can use this type of, I can say, emotes with this way. It has a happy part, as you can see. So those are the classic things. You can use these symbols, numbers. I can say these are good for the typists, and you can use them. The checkpoints, true, X, or I can say question mark, at sign, the other things which you can't find, or I can say it didn't appear, or you don't have this icon or the button of in your keyboard, which it is not on your keyboard by default. So in here you can use it. Okay. And on the paste part, you can use the things that you copy. In here you have the clear all. When you press it on that, your clipboard history will be deleted. I hope this video helps you. If you like this content, press the like button, and if you have any question, type it in the comment section. I will create a video just for you. I hope you learn all of the things about the clipboard and what's going on that. Have a nice day. See you on the next video.